15 minutes ago, I was washing the back and scrubbing the back of that JCPenney RCA TV. And 5 minutes goes by, and there's thunder. And it's about to rain. How crazy. Friggin' Texas weather. It was really coming down. Wind, too. Look at that. Ooh, nice breeze. Anyway, I've been thinking about something. This guy on Reddit got his childhood TV. It was a Toshiba, and he couldn't fix the board, and he got one of those boards off AliExpress. Thinking about doing the same for this Magnavox TV, so I can move it on. So let me know what you think. Next CRT TV video will probably be of a 25-inch Sharp I get at an estate sale on Friday. If the price is right. If not, there's a nice vintage clock by it. We'll grab that. Like I said, 15 minutes ago, it was sunny and hot as hell. Spared the table from getting wet again. Rained a few days ago. And here it is again. Speaking of clock, that was it's a temperature sensor. You used to have a clock in the dining room that would say how hot it is, amongst other things. Looks like I live in an upscale neighborhood with this fence, but it's not. Just a nice fence. Fence on the other side of the yard is kind of crappy. Anyway, I gotta make my coffee. It's getting cold. Nice breeze though, albeit humid slightly. Thanks for watching. Life's garbage. TV has some pretty good speakers. They actually have bass. I was blown away to know that. I was like, wow. Speaking of wow. That is cool. See, it's really coming down. Grab a screenshot from that. You know the picture quality of this camera is awful. Really urge my family members to throw all this crap out. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Bye.